welcome to a new video. In this video I am unboxing Hot Toys Hunter 6 scale figure. So here he is and let's get started. There he is. Oh yeah. Look at that. Alright, here we go. Oh, there he is. Nice artwork. So his helmet is in the back there and then two images of him. I will say again, I wish that the Echo figure had just Echo, because the Echo figure has Echo and Hunter on it. So kind of weird that they did that for Echo, but like Hunter is just him. Also feels a little off-centered. It feels almost like it should have been shifted this way a little bit or something. Alright, here we go. There he is. Alright, so let's start with his accessories. So here is the backpack. Very nice. I really am enjoying the kind of gunmetal texture that they put on there. Very, very nice. So there it is. Absolutely beautiful. So it's probably hooks on with magnets like most of them do. It doesn't say in the instructions though. Alright, so here is his blaster. There it is. So pretty simple. Again, has that nice like chrome gunmetal type leathering. It's got some silver scratches on it. It is the same as Rex's. It's got some thermal detonators. Here is his knife. Got some nice detailing in it. It does have the red and yellow paint on it. Very nice. He actually has an even set of hands, thank God. It just really annoys me when they have, you know, 3 hands for one side and 2 hands for the other. Like, just make it an even 3 sets for both sides. Here is this blaster, which is pretty cool. The black is pretty plain, not a whole lot going on it, so no weathering or anything. And then the silver does have some pretty dark weathering going on. So very nice, very nice. Here is that. Oh, it looks so cool. Just look at that. It's got the little ties in the back. It's hard to see on camera, but this headband does actually have a texture to it. Look at him. Oh, he's so beautiful. I will say I do wish that his tattoo on this side of the face was a hint darker, because it kind of blends in a little bit along like his chin. It is definitely there, but I do wish it was just a little bit. I do wish that there was a little bit more contrast in it, but he still looks so beautiful. Alright. So like Echo, I am going to display him with the helmet on, so I'm just going to put his head back in the plastic and then back in the box. Alright, let's have a look at him. His paint job though is very nice. He does have the 99 and the little skull on there. Got some nice weathering going on all over. I have had this complaint about previous figures. It feels like the front of the figure is more weathered than the back is, which is really annoying because there isn't a nice even consistency over the entire figure. And also the little ab plate right here is not as weathered as the chest plate or the leg armor or arm armor or anything. So there's a little bit of inconsistency with the weathering. Again, I've had that complaint with pretty much every figure I've gotten so far. And then his undersuit is sitting a little weird in some spots. It is very twisted on this leg. The camera's probably not going to be able to pick it up very easily. It's very twisted on this leg, and it's actually bunching right here on this arm, like the suit is too big for the figure. Let me see if I can, let's see if we can have a look at it. Okay, so it may have just been pushed up weirdly. Yeah. So we're gonna see if we can do, there we go, that's better. Yeah, so his forearm gauntlets are, this side is very tight on the figure, so when they put it on, it caused the undersuit to get pushed up and bunch. So that's better. When I pulled him out, this was twisted sideways. So luckily they do just twist around. He has some both silver and black weathering going on, but like the black weathering is only like right here, so it's again a little inconsistent. There is some faint black weathering up on this chest piece, but there's pretty much no other black weathering on him. He is still very nice, very well done. The knee pads are elastic on, so they are just going to kind of sit straight out like that. So you do have to be careful when bending it back to not catch them underneath or anything. But everything is still very, very beautiful and very nice. His holster does like to flop around a little bit. That's just because it's just attached with a little piece of grosgrain. That's just the way it's attached. There's no weird gapping between the torso and ab and everything like some of the other clone troopers. But he is very nice, very beautiful. So yeah, just a couple of little complaints about him, but he is still absolutely amazing. Just look at him. He is so beautiful, and I cannot wait to have the entire Bad Batch figures. So like Echo, he has the little adhesive sticky that you can put on top, and then the matching base to most of the other troopers. So there's his nameplate. And then he has my least favorite stand, the little crotch stand. It's just, it is not a very secure stand. I've talked about this stand in so many previous videos. Like Echo, I am not going to stick this on. I'm just going to put it on and stick this in, maybe. Okay, I'm not going to stick this on because it's not going to fit. It is slightly too big, so I'm actually going to go sand like the back of this down so it does fit. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I did very small amount of sanding and now it fits, so we're good. Alright, so here he is. This crotch stand is not very good for him, especially because of this little piece right here. It kind of almost wants to sit like right at the edge and then slip under it. Also, you can see that it does not like wrap very far around the front of him. So I hate these stands so much. They are so... They're not very secure. Anyway, so here's how I'm going to display him, holding his knife and everything. He doesn't have exactly the best mobility. You do kind of have to work with him a little bit just because of the armor pieces, which is understandable because of the armor pieces. So there. Alright, here he is. Overall, I think he is a very, very nice figure, very well done. Again, the weathering is just a little bit inconsistent, and I hate the stand. But other than that, I am so happy with him. So here he is, all ready to go to be displayed. So yeah, you can see he's kind of sitting a little weird on this stand just because it doesn't fit, because these stands suck. I hope you found it entertaining and enjoyable. I hope you found it helpful, and if you have been thinking about getting this figure, I would definitely recommend him. He is absolutely beautiful. They did a good job with him, and I am so excited and cannot wait to get the full Bad Batch set. And I will see you next time. Bye!